History of data science. Data science is nothing but computer program plus statistics. Computer program plus statistics on data. It is called the data science. What is the history of data? We will see now. Okay. It's not latest technology, latest thing. It was identified, invented in 1962. One guy, John Techie, writes the own paper. Future of, his name is John Techie, writes the paper of Future of Data Analysis. Future of Data Analysis. And after that, 1977, he published one book released uh, related to exploratory data analysis. And 1991, okay, if you are familiar with Python, the guy who invented Python, okay, he invented Python in 1991. Uh, Guido Van Rossum, his name is Guido Van Rossum. That guy only invented Python programming language. So here in this lesson, this tutorials, we are going to use Python. And in 1993, R program was released, and 1996, there is an International Federation of Classification Societies. They hold some conference titled Data Science Classification and Related Methods in 1998. And 1997, Jeff Wu, the guy, uh, he said renaming statistics is called the data science. This guy said. So they have contributed much on data science. Okay, they have done so many researches. So, and 2001 expand to data analysis part. Some name is William Cleveland. He released some books, and 2008 and 2008, 2008, 2009. This time Kaggle was introduced, so it's a capacity of time, so many data sets. Data sets community competition website, they have listed. And 2010, university begin offering the master courses, bachelor degrees on data science in this time. Okay. And 2012, Harvard Business Review published the data science. What the title is, the sexiest job of the 21st century. So they released that book. And 2015, TensorFlow. So in deep learning, we are using some TensorFlow library framework. That is, it was released in 2015. In 2018, okay, and AutoML. So the people who were uploading the data set automatically identify the pattern and those processes. Okay, AutoML. And after that, 2019-20, so many cloud platform. They have AWS, Azure. So like these kind of clouds they have released. AWS released SageMaker, so ML related framework. So this is the history of data science.